Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Redefining mobile living with a focus on vast space, state-of-the-art technology, and unmatched comfort. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Penthouse Motorhome is a fascinating prospective entry into the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle market. Despite being entirely theoretical, this idea uses Chevrolet's reputation for strong engineering and American-centric design to establish the company as a serious competitor in a market that is usually controlled by custom European or specialty American manufacturers. In order to ensure a foundation of great strength and dependability, the Mega Penthouse Motorhome would most likely be constructed on a heavy-duty Chevrolet truck chassis, such as a heavily modified Silverado HD or a specially designed commercial platform. This sturdy undercarriage would be necessary to sustain the significant weight and roomy proportions that the Mega Penthouse name suggests. The external design would be built for grandeur and functionality while maintaining aspects of Chevrolet's modern style. Imagine a complex, possibly multi-story building with sizable slide-out parts that, when stationary, significantly increase living spaces. In order to replicate the open feeling of a contemporary penthouse, large, panoramic windows that provide sweeping views of the surroundings and flood the room with natural light would be a crucial component. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Penthouse Motorhome's inside is where its penthouse moniker really shines. This would be a luxurious haven, painstakingly constructed from high-quality materials. Consider luxurious leather furniture with unique stitching patterns, high-gloss or matte metallic accents, and rich, sustainable hardwood floors. With separate areas for living, eating, sleeping, and entertainment, the arrangement would be nothing short of opulent. To accommodate gourmet culinary endeavors while traveling, a chef-grade kitchen furnished with top-notch appliances such as convection ovens, induction cooktops, and built-in refrigerator would be ideal. With a king-sized bed, plenty of closet space, and an en-suite bathroom with a spa-like shower and high-end fixtures, the master suite would be a peaceful retreat. Integration of technology would be crucial. Every element of the motorhome, including the lighting, entertainment, security, and climate control, would be managed by an advanced smart home system. The journey experience would be improved with high-speed satellite internet access, sophisticated navigation with real-time traffic and route optimization, and maybe even drone integration for recreational or aerial scouting purposes. An important factor would be energy independence, which would probably include large solar panel arrays, a sizable battery bank, and a strong, silent generator. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Penthouse Motorhome would cater to a select group of customers who want the utmost in mobile luxury and who require all the conveniences and comforts of a posh home without being restricted to a certain area. The ultimate in recreational vehicle engineering and design, its size and luxury would make it a statement vehicle that provides the most discriminating travelers with an unmatched degree of comfort, refinement, and independence.